Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for joining in this very important update here on price action of Bitcoin. As we can see guys, today is the day, the swearing in ceremony in which Trump will take the oath of office is scheduled for 9 a.m. PST on Monday, January 20th, which is today. And it is looking like more of a buy the rumors, sell the news event. But if you look at the Trump official Trump coin, it is going crazy guys. This move is absolutely mind-blowing, and it looks like that people are taking out the profit from altcoins, even from the Bitcoin investment, and investing in official Trump coin. So what does this mean? Will this create more opportunity, or will this create more fear in the market? Because if you look at the price action of Bitcoin, when we had a blow off type of scenario, yesterday when the price was hovering around 106,000, 105,000, we had a massive sell off which brought the price of Bitcoin all the way around 99,500, 99,600. But if you look at it now, using this breakout to the upside scenario from this descending channel, this looks like a retest. Bitcoin, after the sell-off, came back for a retest from this previous resistance which acted as support, and now it could be resulting in another continuation here to the upside. And why? Because according to this descending channel, a retest around the previous temporary line is absolutely normal, and after that we were expecting a move like this playing out. Yes guys, a new all-time high looks like imminent as long as the price remains above 95,000. Yes guys, Bitcoin looks like coming back for a retest around the key line of resistance, and if it does continue here to the upside, you can see it will be a bullish breakout from this symmetrical triangle as well. I just showed you this is a descending channel breakout, falling channel breakout, and now parallelly a pullback around the previous temporary race line. Also looks like a retest from this symmetrical triangle, which in the past price action rejected us. And now if the price remains above 95,000, then what is expected? A continuation here in this manner. Bitcoin is expected to show another continuation here to the upside. But in the medium short term, if the price shows weakness, price gets attracted between 95 to 100,000, please do not worry, because I've been very clear with you guys. Around that area, we have extremely important support from this leading indicator. This is our CPI indicator, which will be acting as one of the most important support for Bitcoin. And as long as we remain above this trend line, even the upcoming month for Bitcoin is expected to be bullish. So that's why guys, that's why this CPI trend line, our leading indicator, will be holding the price in case of some pullback, just like what it did yesterday, right? You can see after this massive pullback, we tested the top CPI line which acted as support, and right after that the price started bouncing up. But if you look at it carefully, around that area, beside the support from this CPI indicator, beside the support from this symmetrical triangle upper trend line, along with the descending channel upper trend line, we also have support from this point of control. If you look at this volume profile, you can see around this area we had a lot of activities, which also clearly shows us pullback around 90 to 100,000. Doesn't mean we are bearish. That could be just a retest from this POC line as well, and price after that is expected to head higher. Yes guys, a pullback around 95 to 100,000 doesn't mean we are bearish. That could be just a temporary pullback before expecting another continuation here to the upside, because we know around that area we have extremely important support lying for Bitcoin. And even according to our Williams alligator indicator, which is already turning bullish, green line appearing at the top, blue line at the bottom, only happens during uptrend, just like here. You can see it resulted in a very bullish move. So same thing could be unfolding here. But if we get attracted back towards this Williams alligator indicator I just showed you, please do not panic. During uptrend, this trend line usually gets retested, but since we are above it, it will act as support along with this CPI indicator, along with this POC trend line, along with this symmetrical triangle upper trend line, along with this descending channel upper trend line. So any sort of a pullback, as you can see, price remaining above 90,000 means just a temporary pullback, and price of Bitcoin after that is expected to head higher because we have also broken out from this Bollinger Band. Yes, guys, the upper band from this Bollinger Band got broken, and we know upper band only gets broken during uptrend. So any sort of a pullback now, just like this one here from past price action, the central line or the basis line will be acting as additional support for Bitcoin. So any sort of a pullback in between 95 to 100,000, you can see it will be looked as a retest, and price of Bitcoin after that is expected to show a move like this, because we are aware in a bigger picture, in a weekly picture, we are expecting this impulsive wave to continue at least in between 110 120,000 before starting with a corrective move ABC. So unless we reach around this 0.5, we are expecting price of Bitcoin to remain bullish. And in a bigger picture, even according to this falling wedge pattern, you can see we have already overcome some key line of resistance. In a weekly time frame, this is a bullish breakout from falling wedge. So according to this falling wedge as well, any sort of a pullback here in the medium short term will be just a temporary pullback, and price of Bitcoin after that is expected to show a move like this. So what I'm trying to pinpoint here is that even if the price of Bitcoin starts showing weakness in the medium short term, because it could turn out into buy the rumor, sell the news event, right? Please do not worry. As long as the price remains above 95 to 100,000, this pullback will be giving us a buying opportunity. And after that, we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to show another bullish continuation to make a new all-time high. Yes, guys, these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my vlog, and if you want the price of Bitcoin to make a new all-time high, then please destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye-bye.